guys. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are so happy to have you here. If you've been watching us for a while, thank you for your continued love and support.
In today's video, it's a collaboration with one of our friends here on YouTube, Everything Natalie. We've teamed up and wanted to share pantry organization tips and motivation whether you have a big or small pantry. Having your pantry organized is so satisfying, and not to mention it helps find things a lot quicker. So once you're done watching this video, be sure to head over to Everything Natalie's video for more motivation.
To show me the way, the light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for. It's just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything inside of my sight, this is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me, I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. Feel like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing.
So here are all the things that were inside the pantry. We threw away whatever was expired and we kept what we actually used. It was more than what we thought we had in the pantry. After this, we're going to start sweeping and wiping down the shelves.
You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one. You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one.
After we finished wiping down the shelves, we picked up some supplies from the store and we labeled each bin with what we wanted to put in them. And then we started filling them one by one with what we wanted.
Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one.
finished
organizing our pantry.
Little man wanted to take a nap, so he did.
For like 20 minutes.
Yeah, we were so hard to put him down, but he's awake now. So.
We're gonna show you guys how we organized our pantry.
It looks so much better than it did.
You guys will see how it looked before, and now it looks like now. Let's show them. In this one, we labeled it oatmeal. Our oatmeals, our quick oats, our regular oatmeal. So we have that here. Some cereal. Right now we're doing keto, so we don't have a lot of cereal, and the oatmeal is for Junior. Here we have our sugars, and in the back we have our Nesquik and our just in case creamer. We don't really use that, so that's why that's in the back. Our keto shake, some cups, and then these are for when we have breakfast in bed. And then on the second one, look puppy, here you're gonna show. Oh, you want to show him this side? Okay, he wants to show you this side. Oh, okay. Say this is the sauces. Right here we have all our sauces here. Our soy sauce, our ranch, our buffalo sauce. Here we have our baking goods. Everything we use to bake. So we have almond flour, xanium gum, and then we have panko crust, and then here we have more stuff, more baking flour. And then here we have his food. This is all your food, puppy. Say, this is mine. Okay, this is all his area. Our coffee and all that good stuff. Cans. We have some jalapenos for Jorge, some chipotle sauce for Honey, from some tomato sauce, some more jalapenos. And then, right next to it, we have some teas. We have some chips right here. We ran out of little containers, so we had to improvise, right, Murphy?
Yes, we did.
Okay, up here we have PB&J. Peanut butter. We have jelly, and we have syrup and some Nutella or hazelnut. We have our mixes over here, our pancake mix, our keto chocolate fudge, and then here we have our seasonings. We have this that we cook, well, that I cook with. Always have chicken, always have tomato. Our cheese, here's the cheese right here. We have candies here that we don't have that many of because again we are doing keto. These are our Ziploc bags that we get in bulk. So we put these here. Our plates, our plastic cups, napkins.
And the plates are shark plates because they're leftovers from Junior's party.
Yes, they're
we don't normally eat on those type of plates, no. But
we have our lunch bags here, but we're probably gonna do this thing, so we can just hang them.
yeah, we're gonna put something on this wall here,
Right here.
just to like hang the bags, kind of like something like this that we did with the aprons.
So we're gonna put that here. That's a good idea, honey.
Yeah.
And
got
then
some paper towels down there.
paper towels,
juices,
some extra juices,
soda,
our juices here, our bags because if you're Mexican or Hispanic,
yeah,
you have those bags there.
some plastic utensils just because sometimes we get lazy. Can't go wrong with that right there. Same with the cups up there. And same with the plates.
And then we have our Gatorade.
There's the Gatorade right there.
Gatorade, water, and juices for whenever your kids come over. Then extra water, extra soda, extra juice.
And for those that don't know, as you can see the Gatorade right now, we're drinking Gatorade Zero. It's all keto.
Keto, yeah. Hopefully this helps you feel motivated to organize your pantry, whether that's a small space or a big space.
Keep it clean, clean is better.
Yes, it is. It also helps. Bravo! There you go. Say bravo!
He likes the job we did.
Yes, he's very happy.
Right?
Yay, puppy! So,
that was our day of cleaning the pantry.
yes, and hopefully you guys like this video.
And like my fiance said, hopefully it encourages you guys to go out there and clean something.
Yeah, something.
Whatever needs to be cleaned. Today for us it was our pantry. I don't know, maybe next time it'll be the bedroom. I don't know what, but so, see you guys next time.
Bye!
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be